Hello ATPF family, my name is Nikayla Houston Hill and I'm an RBT. Many of you are experiencing something different with the quarantine. Many parents are out of work when they'd usually be at work, and many of your children are at home. So we thought that we'd offer you some resources on some things that you can do with your children during the quarantine. One thing that you and your family can do together is play games together.
Your turn.
She reversed it.
Reverse it back.
I don't have that card.
No, it's not even your turn.
Another thing you can do with your family is take up baking. You having fun, Megan?
Yes.
Alright. Another thing you and your family could do together is have a dance party. What are you doing, Megan?
Coloring.
Another thing that you can do together is color together. I like your picture.
Thank you.
Another thing you can do with your family is conduct science experiments. Another thing you and your child could do together is take a virtual tour of different places around the world. Like Disney World. Wave hi to me from Disney World, Megan.
Hi.
And those are just some of the things that my family likes to do together. And from our families to yours, stay safe and stay healthy, ATPF family.